Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given x upon y equals 1 upon 5, and thus we have to find the value of 5x minus y upon 7x plus 6y. So we have to find the value of this expression. Now this is a very interesting question. In this type of questions, you have to carefully observe the question whether you can find any sort of insight from the given data. Now see, we have been given that x upon y equals 1 upon 5. So what we can do is, we can cross multiply the terms, so it will become 5x equals y. Now shift y to the left hand side, so it will become 5x minus y equals 0. So this is our first relation. But carefully observe that 5x minus y is nothing but the numerator portion of our required number, right? So if any number has its numerator as 0, then the overall number becomes 0. So we can write over here that 5x minus y equals 7x plus 6y will be equals 5x minus y is 0, so 0 upon 7x plus 6y, which will be equal 0, right? So upon checking the options, we see that option B will be our required final answer, because in option B we have been given 0 upon 1, so 0 upon 1 is nothing but 0. That's it. Thank you.